Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I came up with a new Avengers series video, and as you know that the Avengers-EndGame movie is already released, and I would request everyone please watch the movie but don't go for spoilers, and let people watch the movie with their own excitements, and with the same excitement let's see what we are going to make today. This is a small showpiece of Doctor Strange Time Stone. So let's DIY this. To make this project we need an Arduino Uno and one servo motor and some number of jumper wires. Then we need a stone. It's a sparkling stone, and we need a small piece of LED strip, and to arrange all this we need a small box where we need to make our model to place all these things. So let's begin. I need to make an rectangular shape in this cardboard box, and to place the servo in that area I will cut this part. So now I need to place the servo inside it, so I am placing it from the downward side. So I have added the servo to it. Now I need to make the model. For that I am using these sun pack sheets to make the model. So these are some pieces that I am going to add over here. Then I will add the pillars and also add one roof over it. So let's do that now. So you can see that the model is almost ready. Now we just need to color it. So let's do that now. Well, I have colored it with a golden color like Doctor Strange locket, and this is how the model is looking like. Now I need to add the LED light over here. For that I have a small LED strip, and this is going to be placed over here. So I have added the LED light, and also two jumper wire are connected to the positive and negative to the LED light. So as you can see, it is a green LED because we are making Doctor Strange Time Stone. So now I am going to place it on the box. Well, in a previous video I made the same circuit that I am going to use over here. So you can click on this I button so that you will be redirected to that video, and you can check that video where I have made the same circuit, and you can also find the code for that circuit over there. So refer to that video, and also there is a link in the description below. You can also check out there. As the circuit connection is completed, now I am going to stick this model to the top of the cardboard box. For that I am using foam DST, and this is how I have placed the model on the cardboard box. Now we have only one connection left to be done, that is the LED light connection, and we need to add these two jumper wire to any VCC and ground pin of the Arduino. So our model is ready. Now place the stone on the middle shaft of the servo carefully and give it a power supply of 12 volt and wait for the magic. So this is how we made a small showpiece related to Avengers, and we used Arduino here. A for Arduino, A for Avengers, and both are epic in their own fields. So that is it for today, and hope you liked the video. Then don't forget to give a thumbs up and also do some comments and let me know your thoughts about the videos, and make sure you have pressed this red subscribe button and hit the bell icon, because I came up with a new video every weekend. So see you next week. Till then, be cool, work smart.
Part of the journey is the end.